Emily. Yes, let's check it out. So we got your shop pulled up right here. You say you're pretty new, and you'll take any advice that we have. Glad to hear it. So looks like you're selling some watercolor art prints. A very cute shop. I love the design and the aesthetics of everything. Amelia Rose Artwork, watercolor art, stickers, magnets, cards. Out of South Dakota. Well, I will say right away, I think your shop looks really, really cute, and I see that you've got your first 4 sales in the door, so that's really positive. Your first sales are the hardest ones to get. So if you've gotten 4 already, you're doing really well. And I like this. I like your, you've got your policies. That's really important to get your shop foundation fully put together. I see you got your policies down here and see item details. So your whole shop foundation looks really good. And you got 1 review, which is really good. That's awesome. That's about a 25% of your sales have converted into a review, so that's nice as well. And let's check it out. What have you got? Well, actually, I'm curious because I can see your sales. So I see you've gotten 2 sales on this congratulations graduation card, and then you've gotten another 2 sales on this cupcake 4x6 sticker sheets. So really cute. So let's see this. This is a cupcake 4x6 sticker sheets, variety, mint, cherry, chocolate, lemon, raspberry, sprinkles, vinyl pattern, birthday scrapbooking, gift decoration. So all together, there's a few things that are really important for your sales, and that is your photos and your keywords. And I will say right now, your photos look really good. They're bright. They're well staged. They're nicely centered, and they look really, really cute. So those things are all really good. Let's click on this one here. And this is a shipped item. Okay, I like that. And you've got a 5x7 and you got an 8x10 options. And it's just a cute little yellow cupcake that you can frame. Great photos here. All of this stuff looks really, really nice. So let's look up this keyword here, because your photos, I would say across the board, they all look really good. They all look really, really good. You've got nice, bright, clear photos. So I don't really have a lot to say. But let's check out the keywords here. And let's say graduation folded card 5x7. And let's see what do we got under this one. So 1,189 results, which is perfect. That's a really good number of results. Kind of the keyword results sweet spot is between 1,000 and 10,000 usually. Keyword results sweet spot. So that just gives you an idea of how many people are trying to sell a product using that keyword. And if it's a really, really big keyword, like if you just look up like graduation card, that would probably have like 500,000 results or something, 150,000. That's a really big keyword, and it's not nearly as narrow and precise. So it would be a lot more difficult for you to compete with a keyword like this and to get ranked for that. So a keyword like this one, graduation folded card 5x7, is much better because it's right within that sweet spot range. Now let's go back to, how did we get to that one there? Which one were we looking at? I was looking at this one here. Okay. So that's a good keyword there. Let's look at this next one. Celebration flying grad caps cards. Let's see. That one's pretty long for sure. So celebration flying grad caps cards, 240 results. So you probably could actually just remove the word celebration. No, that didn't make it, actually made it smaller. Flying grad caps card. Somehow removing the keywords makes it smaller on this one. It's not usually how it goes. Flying graduation cap card. Let's just try that. 365. So that one's an okay keyword, but definitely not the best, because it's very, very small number of results. All the different variations we just looked up had 240 to like 360. So it would be better to find a keyword that's just a little bit larger. So the first one we had was pretty good. Graduation folded card. Let's try some other ones. Graduation, congratulation card. Let's try that, even though those are such big, long words to spell out. Graduation, congratulations, grad card. Let's see here. 19,000 results. So that's actually pretty big. Still a good keyword, but but maybe a little bit larger. But I was looking at the lemon cupcake one. That was the one I was really digging there. Lemon cupcake fine art print. Okay. So let's check this one out as well. Lemon cupcake fine art print. 356 results. So a little small. Let's just get rid of lemon. Let's just do cupcake. So cupcake fine art print is a little better, 952 results. Let's just get rid of the word fine because I'm not sure people look up the word fine a whole lot. There we go. 8,092 results. So much bigger. That's kind of your sweet spot keyword. So sometimes you'll find that certain keywords don't actually help much. Sometimes like handmade is a keyword you don't really need to use. Homemade, handmade. And then sometimes words like vintage can sometimes even be a little off throwing, but like this one right here, you saw we went from cupcake fine art print, and that has 952 results, to just cupcake art print, and now we got 8,092 results. So much better. And I would recommend for this one, now let's add lemon to it because maybe the word fine was the one that was just slowing us down there. So we got lemon cupcake art print. That's probably a pretty good keyword for you. So that one's 799 results. So I think out of this keyword, if you just get rid of the word fine, you're going to be a little bit better off because you don't really need that one. Now, your next keyword here, you got dessert, 5x7, 8x10, wall hanging, statement piece. It's not that it's bad. It's kind of a lot going on there. But those could still work because they're going to kind of pick, work together with the other keywords there. But I almost wonder if you can come up with a better one. You could try cupcake painting. Let's try that. And I don't know if you really painted this, but it would still be relevant to that keyword. Cupcake painting, 5,035 results. So that's actually a little bit better for you as well.